The function of three-way switch is to control a bulb in different locations. Three-way switch is also known as SPDT or single pole double throw. The application for three-way switch are in stairway and long hallways. For the EIM NC2, one bulb will be controlled by two three-way switches. Another bulb will be controlled by single pole switch. Line from circuit breaker will be attached to bulb 1 line. Line 1 from circuit breaker will be connected to the common of the three-way switch. In order to identify the common wire of a three-way, switch check the slot with 0 marking. Bulb 1 line 2 will be connected to second three-way switch common. Bulb to line 2 will be connected to single pole switch. Remember, 0 is common. Traveler terminal 1 is to traveler terminal 1. Traveler terminal 3 is to traveler terminal 3. Or the other way, traveler terminal 3 to traveler terminal 1. Vice versa. Connect the traveler terminal number 1 to another three-way switch to its traveler terminal number 1. Connect the traveler terminal number 3 to another three-way switch to its traveler terminal number 3. And to complete the circuit, bulb to line 1 will be connected to bulb 1, line 1.